Understanding the things girls do when they want you physically can be incredibly eye-opening. Often these signs reveal themselves through subtle actions, flirtatious gestures, and playful body language that hint at her attraction and desire. In this video, we'll dive into the different signals that indicate she's drawn to you in a more physical way. From the way she looks at you to how she positions herself around you, pay close attention especially to signs number 5 and 6. They're some of the clearest indicators and can really show you where her interest lies. So make sure to stick around until the end. We'll break down these key behaviors and help you understand what they truly mean. Let's get started. Number 1, flirtatious touching. Flirtatious touching is one of the clearest signs that a woman is interested in you physically. This can include light, playful touches on your arm, shoulder, or back during conversation, which create a sense of or intimacy and connection. For example,